Are you struggling with your cables always being tangled? Are you opening your bag to a twisted mess of wires? Have you had enough and are ready to give up? Don't despair. What if I told you there's a solution? Would you be interested in never dealing with tangles again? I have the solution for you right here, right now. Take a look at this. Introducing MagTame Magnetic Charging Data Cables. One of the best charging cables for a Samsung S24 Ultra or an iPhone 15 Pro Max, as well as other electronic devices. I'll explore everything from the powerhouse performance of the O-MagCable 240 watt USB-C to USB-C and to the sleek design of the C-MagCable USB A to USB-C. MagTame cables can also be the best charging cables for a Meta Quest 2 or a Meta Quest 3. For users needing a dependable, no-frills cable for charging and basic data transfer, the C-MagCable offers good value. It strikes a balance between functionality and cost. And for users with advanced power and data transfer needs, the O-MagCable is likely worth an investment. It's especially relevant for tech enthusiasts or professionals who require robust and high-performance connectivity. Looking at the build quality and design of the O-MagCable, this cable is designed to handle high power delivery, evident in its thicker gauge and reinforced connectors. The build quality suggests it can manage the demands of powering high wattage devices without overheating or degrading over time. The C-MagCable compatibility, being a USB A to USB-C, caters well to a broad range of devices, from older USB A ports on laptops and desktops to newer USB-C smartphones and tablets. This versatility is a significant plus. And the compatibility of the O-MagCable with USB-C at both ends, this cable is geared towards new devices. It's especially suitable for high-end laptops, monitors, and other peripherals that benefit from high power input and fast data transfer. The O-Mag performance standout feature is its 240 watt power capability, making it an excellent choice for devices requiring high power input, like certain laptops or gaming devices. It also supports high-speed data transfer, beneficial for tasks like video editing or transferring large files. The magnetic features of MagTame cables is more than a convenient addition. It represents a step towards the future of electronic accessories. In a world where ease of use and quick connectivity is paramount, MagTame sets a new standard. It's not just a cable, it's a statement that tech accessories can be smart, stylish, and incredibly practical. My overall impressions of the MagTame's range with these two cables seems to cater well to a wide array of needs. The C-MagCable is a solid choice for everyday use, while the O-MagCable stands out for power users requiring high wattage and data transfer capabilities. Both cables demonstrate good build quality, performance, and aligning well with their respective target audiences.